Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Stellenbosch 0. Kaizer Chiefs lost on penalties. I'm joined by China.
Stipo Njayam. We always started like that.
Yes.
Stipo.
Sure.
If ever I will say that this was a great game of football,
Yeah.
I'll be lying.
True.
Ngizobe ngiqamba manga.
Yeah.
The game that I've watched today, it was like I'm watching under 19.
Yes, China.
Doom, doom,
Yeah.
doom,
Yeah.
doom,
Yeah.
doom. There was no plan
Yes,
for
yes,
Chiefs to win this game.
Yes.
Although they got the advantage of a red card on the last minute,
Yeah.
but they didn't have any plan that, okay, now this is how we play. Ibuyela back to what I've said earlier this week, that if you want to watch the good football, go to Orlando. If ever you call what was played at Stellenbosch, it's a good football, then it means you don't understand football. It means you don't know football.
Yes.
I'm a full Kaizer Chiefs fan.
I know.
I'm a supporter of Kaizer Chiefs. I'm very disappointed with the results.
Yes.
And the way I looked at it, Stibo, this thing is not just on the field. I'm very hurt. It's from the management, from everything that was happening. You could have seen the way abafuna ukufaka ngayo uvuma, whereas uNtwari is on a form. UMorris, sikhe samfaka uMorris la. Uloku engadlali. uMorris sikhe samfaka sizama ukungena kwi-top 8 azange deliver. And then today is coming with something else.
Yes.
But one of the things that I wanna remind the fans, I'm a 2000 won't understand this. Now we don't understand this.
So you're exposed.
Patrick Mayo.
Yeah.
When Patrick Mayo
Sure.
efika kwa Chiefs
Yeah.
was a strike. When Patrick Mayo resigner kwa Chiefs
Yes.
was a defender.
Okay.
Patrick Mayo started as a striker.
Yeah.
Ended as a defender.
Yes.
Are we gonna see that to Mayo?
Ufuna ukumchange na ukhanyisa.
We need coaches like Ted Dimitri now.
Yeah.
The whole Kaizer Chiefs team, the technical team, they are so, like, the technical team, we need to go back to drawing board.
Yes.
We don't have a team. If ever this is the Kaizer Chiefs that we want, the Kaizer Chiefs that takes this SA football to a next level, izinto azihambi kahle kwa Chiefs. And ibhadi elisilandelayo lisilandela to a level ukuthi siyasabona ucele ebiza
Uba.
ulentwana number 2 ebuya kwi-Pirates, umunyane uThabiso ebizwa kubafana bafana. What happened to bafana bafana? It deducted 3 points. Yeah, deducted 3 points. Sihamba nebhadi kumele nabafana ke bayogezwa somewhere. Chiefs inida ukuthi siyoyiwasha somewhere. I'm very sad, but mina ngaye ngazitholela. I want to say to ama fans we Chiefs, ama supporters we Chiefs, we pay to those games, we do everything to make sure that we're doing games. Unfortunately, my son is not here. Was Teddy, you're gonna be okay? Unfortunately, bekazongituduza, but namhlanje akekho. But iChiefs ibuyela back kwizinto esimane sizikhuluma that kumele siyobheka ukuthi kwenzakaleni kuphi, because of we look at the scouters.
Sure.
You can tell ukuthi there's something wrong within the scouters. Kwa Chiefs uFabian simbonile unyana yakho lapha ya uMayo sike sambona intwana yakhe lapha ya. It means kwa Chiefs once ube grand intwana yakho iyafakwa ngeback door.
Ungena ngeconnection.
Kwa Chiefs ngenwa ngeconnection sesiyabona manje. And then now these players must figure lapha yasdelive. We need proper scouters to uBobby, and ikhona relationship esingayiboni, and this one goes straight to uBobby, uJessica, everyone bayazi bazayibona uJunior, uBobby noJessica, uBobby noJunior bahlala endaweni one stadium. See, I notice those small things. Asiyazi ukuthi uzokwenzakalani, but to our fans of Kaizer Chiefs, this is very bad. And ayina structure. When Kaizer Chiefs goes to a game, abana plan. They don't have a plan that this is how we're attacking. These are our wings. These are everything. But that team doesn't have a structure, proper structure from the starting 11. We need a coach. We need players. We need. It's hurt. I'm hurt, Stipa. I'm very hurt, in fact. I'm very hurt.
How man of the match?
Man of the match, I think, Oxen Tetra, week in, week out, he always pushed the things, and in management, need to get players. U-Ox uyedwa akayazi ukuthi makathola ibhola ulisa kubani. Umuntu bakhona ba right but my man of the match is Ox. Ngiyaqala ukuba happy so to ama fans wethu, to ama fans wethu TV, to ama supporters. I'm very happy. Anizothola anything. I'm very happy.
Shadi China man. Hey shadi China man. Amani nta ku steak no Junior bazwani ne China.